And the last three here, solving an equation with a root greater than 2, fourth roots, cubed roots. If it's an even root, you need to check your answer. If it's an odd root, it's not going to matter because the positive and the negative thing don't go into effect like it does when you square a negative, it turns positive. But what we want to do is isolate our radical expression. So in this case, I'm going to minus my 1 first. The fourth root of 2x plus 2 equals 3 minus 1, which is 2. Then I'm going to do the opposite of whatever that root is. This is the fourth root, so I'm going to raise to the fourth power. That's going to cancel this out. I get the 2x plus 2. Over here, 2 to the fourth is 16. So I'm going to subtract my 2. 2x equals 14, and divide by 2, x equals 7. So 2 times 7 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, the fourth root of 16 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So that is going to check out. I get an answer of 7. On the next one, I've got radicals on both sides, but fortunately they're both cubes. So I can go ahead and cube both sides. 3x plus 8 equals 6x plus 2. So I'm going to subtract my 6x and subtract my 8. And so I get negative 3x equals negative 6. And so when I divide, x equals 2. So what I'm looking for is, do I get the same number under both of those? I don't really care what the cubed root is because they're both under cubed roots. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 times 2 is 14 plus 2 is also 16. Or 14, yeah, let me do that again. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is also 14. So the cubed root of 14 equals the cubed root of 14. And so my answer is going to be all right. And so number 24, same kind of thing. I need to move this over to the other side. So the fourth root of 8x minus 7 is going to equal a negative 3. I then have to take it to the fourth power. So 8x minus 7 equals negative 3 to the fourth, which would be positive 81. So 8x is going to equal, I'm going to have to add my 7, so that's going to give me 88, and divide by my 8, x equals 11. If I check that out, 8 times 11 is 88. 88 minus 7 is 81. The fourth root of 81 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6, not 0. So I have to say, oh, no solution. The fourth root can't equal a negative anyway, because it has to be positive.